Today, we find ourselves venturing into the nuanced realm of alternative dispute resolution. As we navigate this terrain together, let's explore a pivotal concept that often emerges in this field, the term confrontational. But before we begin, please like this video, press the subscribe button, and tap the bell for notifications so you can keep up with crucial dispute resolution topics that can save you a great deal of time and money. So, as we gently delve into this topic, let's consider that confrontational scenarios are often perceived as encounters characterized by opposing parties who are aggressively asserting their positions. It's in this space that disputes may escalate, tensions may rise, and resolutions could become somewhat elusive. Now let's transition our attention towards a few intriguing statistics that illuminate the implications of adopting confrontational stances. According to research, approximately 85% of disputes that use confrontational methods as their primary means of resolution tend to have unsatisfactory outcomes. This data invites us to ponder the critical importance of adopting more collaborative approaches in dispute resolution. Furthermore, it's been observed that when parties choose to steer away from confrontational strategies, the likelihood of finding mutually beneficial solutions increases substantially. It's even been documented that nearly 70% of disputes resolved through alternative methods, such as mediation or negotiation, end with parties experiencing a higher degree of satisfaction compared to those that adopt a more confrontational stance. As we delve deeper, let's embrace the understanding that confrontational approaches often serve to widen the divide between parties involved. A more harmonious path, one that encourages dialogue and understanding, seems to foster environments where resolutions can be nurtured and cultivated with respect and empathy. As we reach the conclusion of our discussion today, we hope that you carry with you this enriched understanding of the term confrontational, and may it guide you in fostering more fruitful dialogues in your engagements within the world of alternative dispute resolution. Do you need more information about how to handle confrontational disputes? If so, head on over to arbitration.agreements.org. That's where you can buy the service or program you need right away and begin the dispute resolution process quicker. Now, our association does not provide any legal advice, but give us a call if you or your business are considering opening a new account or case. Also, what do you think about the definition of confrontational? Does it make sense to you? Give us your opinion by leaving a comment below. Don't forget to like the video, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell for notifications so you can stay up to date about alternative dispute resolution processes that can save you time and money.